Today we will be disassembling the 9mm Tokarev. All you need for this is a screwdriver. So to begin, let's check for ammunition. Looks clear. Need the magazine to drop the hammer because of the hammer safety. Move that magazine away. And then first thing you do, take this off. And since I'm doing a full body disassembly, I'm just going to remove that. You don't have to though. And then push this pin in. And this slide comes off. From there you can remove the fire control group, hammer, and push the spring in. From there you have the barrel bushing. This rotates all the way around. Pull that out. And then the barrel slides out of the slide. And then last but not least, you take your screwdriver, and then there's two sides in here to the siding, to the panels, and they each have a different form of getting it out. You want to get out the T-shaped one first. I'll show you which one that looks like. And so you just push it to the other side, and then boom. So as you can see, it just rotates back and forth to lock in place. And then the other side, instead of a T, it has this bar. And so I just recently took everything apart and oiled it nicely. So now it should be pretty easy to do. Now it's finicky. This one I've only taken out one other time. And you want to be careful with these grips because they are usually nylon or plastic. Ah, there we go. So yeah, just muscle it to one side or the other, and then that comes out. And you have the frame and the trigger left in. And then here you can actually see the magazine safety. When a magazine's inserted, that pushes up and it allows you to activate the hammer. And so very simple disassembly, easy reassembly. You just do everything again. Repeat the process. And you push that in. It should pop right in place. And there it is. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.